Potting mix, twice as big, grows plants. Miracle. These are $2.79 over here, so I'm thinking these are because they're organic. But if I grow it, isn't it organic anyway? Ooh, I love eggplant, honey. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna grow some eggplant. All right, so I got my little bag. Didn't spend too much. Ain't trying to break the bank. Oh, it's raining. I done bought an umbrella and never. Or do I get this one? We getting this one. Garden soil, all purpose for in-ground. Okay, so this is the actual one that I'm gonna get since the other one was too heavy to carry for some reason. I guess it was wet. And this is $4.88 for this nice little bag, plus fertilizer. And I'm literally walking right over here. Ignore the toilet. It's an old toilet. And I'm just dumping, covering up the seeds that I planted. That's a big old chunk of dirt. If it falls in the wagon, that's fine, because as you can see, this is a wagon for planting. So I'm eventually gonna dump all this dirt, extra dirt, and the dirt that falls through there into the pot in the backyard. But you just have to, you don't want to get it all on the garage floor. So now I'm just like, all of them are done, but I'm just filling in gaps. And then we're gonna water them lightly with our water pail. And then we're just gonna do this once a day until it gets warm and we can plant them outdoors. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get rid of you. You got to go.